Remember when you were a kid? Skin like a fresh peach, energy that could power a small city, and this feeling that you'd live forever. But then, somewhere down the line, the person in the mirror starts to change. A little gray here, an ache there. Time starts leaving its fingerprints all over us. So why? Why do we age? It's not just a biological question. It's one that touches the very core of what it means to be human. Deep inside each of our cells, a tiny clock is ticking down. Imagine the little plastic tips on your shoelaces. Those are like telomeres, protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. Every single time a cell divides to heal a cut or just keep us going, those telomeres get a tiny bit shorter. Eventually, they get so short they can't protect our DNA anymore. The cell then either stops dividing or just gives up. It's like every cell has a fuse, and with every spark of life, it burns a little shorter. But that's not the whole story. Our bodies are also constant battlegrounds. Just by breathing, we create these rogue molecules called free radicals. They're unstable and ricochet around, damaging our cells. Normally, antioxidants in our food keep them in line. But over time, the damage piles up. Proteins get bent out of shape and our DNA can get scrambled. Think of it like an old movie film. The story's still there, but the picture starts to flicker, fade, and get distorted. That's oxidative stress. So, is this all planned? Some scientists think aging is hardwired into our genes, a built-in program to make way for the next generation. Others say it's just wear and tear, the inevitable breakdown of a super complex machine. Either way, maybe aging isn't a mistake. Maybe it's a feature, a fundamental part of the story written into our very being. And it's not just what's happening inside. The world around us ages us too. Sunlight, pollution, the food we eat, the stress we feel, all of these things can speed up the process. It's like the lighting and set design in a movie. The same character can look completely different under a harsh spotlight versus soft, gentle moonlight. Our environment shapes how our story unfolds. Now, here's a wild thought. Some creatures seem to have found a loophole. The tiny hydra, a freshwater animal, shows no signs of getting old. A certain type of jellyfish can literally turn back the clock and revert to its younger self. It makes you wonder, right? But there's always a catch. Cancer cells, for example, are technically immortal. They never stop dividing. But that immortality comes at a devastating price. In the end, maybe the reason we age is simply because we live. Our bodies are constantly reacting, adapting, and accumulating experiences. Aging is the price we pay for all the memories we make, the love we share, and the wisdom we gain. In any good story, a character who never changes is boring. In life, aging is change. It's the ultimate character arc. Thanks for watching. If this made you think, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into what makes us who we are. See you in the next one.